our invoices are completely generated in the accounting in the Apna complex. Yeah, that's what is automated. We get through SMS, we get through your email attachment. That's the best part of the SMS gateway is already enabled there, so people receive the updated information through SMS. So we have different kinds of invoice lines. We have a normal maintenance, then we have other charges. I think this was very handy invoice generating for us. And there were new features coming like Patrol, which we implemented immediately, the patrolling and scanning the QR code. Apna Complex helped in a big way, where they printed the QR code for us, and we designed the route. And that was the first trial where we see that we want to see where the security guys is going, how much time it takes for the entire round. So we can analyze that also. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes, that means he has gone with the walk. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, that means he has gone on a cycle, to scan it. So we could analyze that. We wanted to know that what's happening. So we created the bus tracker and ensured that every time the bus comes, so the first bus comes at 5 o'clock, which enters the gate. And during the day side, we have nearly 40 buses passing the gate. So we try to track the school buses and the private vans also, so that we were trying to explain them that this is helpful. If something unfortunate happens, we want to record this. What CCTV is always there, but we also want to ensure that the security was alert there. You launched one feature, the quarantine tracker. We immediately adapted. We started recording online. So we were very clear that we wanted to use the technology and the system to track, and everything should not be diluted, should not be on the paper where. So we started tracking everything there, and everything reports were already there inside. So if somebody else wanted to have a look at it, the information source is there. Say like estate manager was given that view rights. The security team was given a view rights. There were a COVID team inside the board and the members. So this information was very handy. Anybody wants to see, we have kept it updated. So we use this first quarantine tracking tool by Apna Complex. Immediately we started using it. Our daily activities, publishing the notice and all. We also tried to, there were a lot of forums which were handy, where people used to discuss, because there was social distancing, so there was no meeting. So people used to chat a lot of discussions around any issues and all going around to be discussed on the forum. So that was also one of the things which came very handy to us. Whatever documents are approved within the board goes to the repository. So we have a repository where you are able to find the latest bylaws, you are able to find the house rules, if there is any amendment, any templates like move in, move out. So there are templates also. So there's a good facility in this repository where you can give access to whom, either it can be all of them, say like move in, move out form. It is very generic form, anybody can use it, so everybody can download it. House rules, absolutely available for all, so that's available for all. Other which are only for board members, we can restrict it. So lot of templates, rather than they calling somebody and going to office, they can download, print, write it and send it, for the move in, move out. So yes, we do use that facility also. We have made this that or anything issue, you need to log into your Apna Complex, and that's how it is tracked. We went further and we created the hierarchy also inside. Yes, so it is that earlier we had a queue manager who used to pick up those complaints and put it to the right person. But then we knew that whose portfolio. So say like we have an electrical person and civil who's handling one person, a fire guy who's handling accounts guy. So all is categorized, and we have that hierarchy. So we were able to also include our external estate management team also as part of this hierarchy. And then also information, because see, we were sure that we want to set the process right and let the estate management implement it rather than we managing the operations. So we would be a person who would set the process, let it run, and then we monitor it. So we could also add our BOM members for board members as part of the hierarchy. So escalation third, it sends the reminder to us. It sends the mail to us. So that's a good tracking mechanism we were using it.